Hey, Scott here. It has been quite a while since I have posted any videos here on YouTube, but thought it'd be a good time to just give a bit of a life update and career update. So going back summer of 2023, knowing that there were some other life changes coming up, I decided I wanted to give it a shot living out of a van. I didn't rough it. I stayed in our hometown, but it was very enjoyable, and we have since done a lot of traveling in that van, close to 40 states and let's see, 35,000 miles over the last 2 years. So we've seen it and done a lot. November of 23, my wife and I got married on the side of a mountain in Sedona, Arizona. In the words of our videographer and photographer and planner, it was epic and dope. We climbed mountains, we did a bunch of hiking. It was quite an experience to run off and elope like that. Highly recommend. After we got back 2 weeks later, we closed on a property that we now run as a 5-star Airbnb. We completely gutted and remodeled that. It was a great experience for her and I to work beside each other, make decisions, plan, design, and also pull in family on it. So it gave us a lot of time and experience that it would have taken years to get that much together time. So that was an awesome experience. We have some big plans for that property. Hopefully including an art studio and a woodworking shop. We want to be able to facilitate community, creativity, and rest on the property. So right now it's definitely fulfilling the rest portion. Also community, it seems that most of our stays are coming in for family gatherings, weddings, ladies' weekends, that kind of stuff. So the creativity piece is the next step into that for that property. So then now the big update for me and for this channel is I decided that a few months ago, after lots of prayer and thought, consideration, conversations, quiet time, that it was time to leave the corporate world. I've been in telecommunications for 26 years for 2 large companies. Just the direction where technology is going, decided that it was time for me to do something else. God's given me the gifts with creativity, being able to use my hands, put things together. So want to pursue that more. So starting in January of 2026, I'll be operating Seaman Custom Builds as home maintenance, repair, improvements, woodworking projects, and want to capture what that transition looks like, what some of those projects looks like here on the channel. And this will also free me up to not be behind a desk, but out in community with people to facilitate gathering for connecting, especially with men. We're horrible about communicating what's going on in our lives, but somehow if you can sit down over a meal, a cup of coffee, take a hike, do something, you can get that connection that men are missing. So that is one of the other large pieces that will come about with this change in career. So thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you subscribing so you can see the additional things coming in the future. And have a great day.